protect and respect the human rights dignity. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Standing on all existing protocols, before I proceed, I would like to acknowledge the presence of some of the dignitaries within us here. The Honorable Faculty Officer, our Honorable Lecturer, Barrister Fatima, the Honorable Faculty Librarian, the Honorable DG, the Honorable Chief Justice Maun Maradi, Honorable Principal Partner, State Council's Chamber, my dear colleagues, both from Maun Niger and Maun Maradi, and the new admitted students studying law, freshers, which orientation has been held today for. It is indeed a privilege and an honor to stand before you today to make a presentation on a paper assigned to me by the Honorable Principal Partner. So the journey of studying law is not just a journey of studying law and graduating. It is a journey towards excellence, a journey towards justice, and a journey towards upholding the rule of law. We stand as advocates that defend, protect, and respect the human rights dignity of everyone around the world. My paper is titled Legal Excellence Through Collaborative Efforts, the role of student cooperation in chamber activities. Due to the time factor, I would like to summarize it. When I was presenting my paper to the principal partner, he said that the paper is a little bit long, so I have to summarize. So legal education is essential for professional competence, but traditional learning alone is insufficient. Law chambers within faculties of law provide practical exposure, allowing students to collaborate in research, advocacy, case analysis, and legal writing. Historically, legal training has emphasized collaboration from Inns of Court in England to Socratic method and legal apprenticeship model. We have the Socrates, Jeremy Bentham, and the likes of Lord Denning, Lord Alton, and the likes of legal scholars that has existed through immemorial times. This paper explores significance of student cooperation in chambers, its impact, and this thing. Historically, legal education has always emphasized collaborative learning, dating back to times I mentioned. So introduction, legal education excellence is not solely a function of individual intellectual ability, but also the result of structured training, mentorship, and collaboration. Within law faculties, student-led chambers serve as legal research, debate, and advocacy training base. The chambers provide a structured environment where students collaborate to refine their legal reasoning, improve their research and writing skills, and engage in practical exercises that stimulate real-world experience. Law chambers provide an experiential learning platform where students engage in legal drafting, moots, and arbitration. So the role of students' cooperation in chamber activities include, but not limited to, enhancing legal research and writing, developing advocacy and litigation skills, strengthening legal reasoning and critical thinking, fostering mentorship and peer learning. The challenges hindering effective student collaboration in chambers include resource limitations. We all face resource limitations in chambers and student-based organizations. You may have projects you want to execute, but there are not available resources furnished towards executing that project. Time constraints. The law schedule has been a very tight and busy schedule. Looking at the modification of the Council of Legal Education back in 2018, including some courses and others. So usually law students have a busy schedule of lectures. It's hard in a week that you have maybe 2 to 3 free days. So we don't have much of time to engage in such activities. Inadequate faculty support. Sometimes in some faculties, the students face inadequate faculty support and lack of institutional recognitions. Some schools do not recognize student activities and believe learning can only be done via theory. So recommendation for optimizing student collaboration and activities to round up institutional funding and support. This the institutions should support faculty mentorship, that is lecturers and mentors in the faculty should engage in mentoring the student towards excellence. Integration into the curriculum. I suggest that student and chamber activities should be integrated into the curriculum, such as how lectures are integrated into curriculum. Also, capacity building workshops should be made. So in conclusion, student cooperation in law chambers plays a crucial role in nurturing legal excellence, equipping students with the necessary skills for professional practice. References for further reading, you can read the Landell CC 1871, The Cases of Law on Contracts. It is in Harvard Law Review Journal. Blackstone Jabbar, Commentaries on the Laws of England, of Oxford University Press. Vygotsky 1978, Mind in Society, The Development of Higher Psychological Processes, Harvard University Press. Cov DA 1984, Experiential Learning, Experience as a Source of Learning and Development, Practice Lab. Thank you so much. I remain Maryam Abacha, the Nigerian National President, African Law Students Association. Senior Justice Muawiyah Supreme Court, Muawiyah Niger Supreme Court, and also a student of Faculty of Law, Muawiyah Niger.